Hi there. In this lecture we see Darsniek against Mikhail Tal in 1951, Riga, d4, and Mikhail Tal plays d5, c4, e6, knight f3, c6. So very, very solid. This is one of the more popular systems today, the Semi-Slav. e3, knight f6, knight c3, knight bd7, bishop d3, and now bishop b4, both sides castle, bishop d2, queen e7, knight e5, Tal takes, d takes, knight d7, and here white plays a3. Better is just to support the e5 pawn. For example, b6 and just a3, trying to get that dark square bishop. White should be quite comfortable here with a small edge. So a3 here allows an interesting tactical idea. Can you spot it? If I give you 5 seconds to pause the video. Yeah. Knight takes e5. Just hitting this bishop. So white gives up the light square bishop. So this gives potentially dangerous light square bishop without a counterpart. It's quite an interesting example here. Queen h5 check is actually played, and then queen takes e5. The bishop drops back. Queen h5, and now b6, showing that really this is going to be quite dangerous for white, this diagonal, for example. f4, white is going for it. f5, and now g4. This is very reckless play, weakening squares around the king. We see f takes, queen takes, and now e5, just hitting the queen. We see the queen dropping back. So there looks to be pressure on d5 and generally the diagonal. Is it that significant? If white, by the way, had played f5 here, then just queen f7 hits f5, supports d5. If e4, then white is collapsing, for example, like this. It's collapsing for white. So queen g2, we see bishop a6 now. So kind of pinning that pawn to the rook. So rook f3. Yeah, this is a miserable position. There are all sorts of options here. Yeah, it looks as though this is pretty desperate stuff. Bishop takes c4, rook h3, and now e takes f4. Tal doesn't mind the seemingly dangerous invasion here with queen g6. Queen g6 is played, but for 50 points, what does Tal play here? Simple and strong. Yeah, the attack is not very well supported at all. Queen f6, saying, well, come and get me. Now white declined the invitation and just played queen c2. But this seems absolutely harmless on check. There's all the options are for black. And there's also even a queen g6 on the cards here. So it looks absolutely hopeless. No, these pieces are just not getting into the attack, so there's no real attack there. So we see the queen just dropping back to c2 instead. But after queen f5, yeah, white realizes his position is in tatters and resigns. If the game continued, you know, if queen takes, rook takes, this situation, just rook e8 is incredibly powerful here. As well as being material up already in this position. It's the e file, it's so strong for black in this position, and f4 is weak. So for example, king f2, d4, and rook e2, it's a very precarious position indeed. If rook g3, then for example d4, bishop takes f4, this is just diabolical. Check, 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 and it, you know, the white king's in big trouble, for example, like that. It's a diabolical position actually. It's not just material down, it's actually a really terrible position as well. So yeah, the game ended on queen f5 here. So again, you know, a non-controversial kind of game for Mikhail Tal. He just had a much better position and cleared up, basically, here in this game. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much. Hi there. Thanks for getting to the end of the YouTube video. If you would like to see other Mikhail Tal games, I actually have an amazing course for Mikhail Tal, which is currently at 4.9, with over 400 students. You can check this out from the Kingscrusher TV page. So Chess Strategy and Tactics, Mikhail Tal's Amazing Games. You can check out some free preview videos as well here. If you do expand all sections, you can see the preview links to get some free previews. So I hope you do check out this course index and the free previews. So I really had a thrilling time actually checking out Mikhail Tal's games. So yeah, the YouTube video here you saw was just a sample from this course. I hope you check it out. Okay, thanks so much. Oh, by the way, comments, questions, likes, shares, all appreciated. And if you did get to this part of the video, please do leave some sort of comment like Tal fan. Okay, thanks again.